Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing on electric charges. What is an electric charge? Electric charge is the property of a subatomic particles that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electric and magnetic field. So let now explain the law of static electricity, which states that like charges repel while unlike charges attract. This means that if a positive charged body and another positive charged body come in contact, they repel. And if a negative charged body and another negative charged body come in contact, they also repel. But if a positive body and a negative body come in contact, they attract. Magnets also use this law. But you should also know that in static electricity, substances are classified according to their degree of resistance they offer to the passage of electron through them. We classify them into two: conductors and insulators. What are insulators? They are material that do not allow electricity to pass through them. They have a very high resistance to electricity. Examples are plastic, dry hair, oil, silk, wood, etc. Since we now understand what insulators are, let's move to conductors. What are conductors? Conductors are material that allow electricity to pass through them. They have low rate of resistance. Good examples of conductors are metals. You should also know that good conductors of heat are good conductors of electricity. Let's talk about the gold leaf electroscope. It is an instrument that is used for detecting and testing of small electric charges. The leaf of the electroscope is the sensitive part. But how do we charge the gold leaf electroscope? We have two methods of charging the electroscope. The first method is by contact and the second method is by induction. The first method, which is by contact, means the charged body need to have contact with the electroscope. Charges passes the body to the disc and stem of the electroscope down to the bottom through this contact. The leaf is observed to open when this happens. The degree of the divergence of the leaf indicate the amount of charges acquired by the electroscope. The second method, which is by electrostatic induction. When we talk about electrostatic induction, we mean the act of charging two body by placing a charged body near it without any contact between the two. We also charge the gold leaf electroscope this way. To know how to charge an electroscope using the induction method, watch our next video, which will premiere soon. Subscribe to get notified. But how do we produce charges? We use three methods to do so. The first method is by friction. In this method, two uncharged body needs to rub against each other. One of the body becomes negative while the other one becomes positive. The second method is by contact. A charged body need to come in contact with an uncharged body. Guess what will happen after this? The uncharged body becomes the opposite charge of the charged body. This means if the charged body is positive, the uncharged body will be negative. The third method is by the induction method. If you can recall, we said it is the act of charging two body by placing a charged body near it without any contact between the two. If you look at the diagram, you would understand this more. Thanks for watching. Add your comment below for suggestions. You can follow our channel for more videos, and please, don't forget to subscribe.